Right. So this experiment is called impact of jet on vanes. Here we are going to check the coefficient of impact on this vanes. Here we are going to do the experiments on three types of vanes. One is flat vane. This is a flat vane. Okay. This is hemispherical vane. Hemispherical vane. And there is one more vane called inclined vane that we will show it to you. This threading will be inclined to an angle. So basically this is your inclined vane and this is the knob. It's going to fix it over here and this will be inclined to an angle. This will be inclined to an angle. Okay. So this is the knob at which we are going to fix the vane. This is the knob at which we are going to fix the vane. Right. So what and all we are supposed to do? First, see, before starting the experiment we have to do the initial setups. What is that initial setup is? First, whichever the knob, whichever the vane you are going to get, take that vane, fix it over here completely, thread it over here completely, and after that you have to switch on the pump. Before switching on the pump, one thing what you are supposed to make sure is you have to close this valve. This is the valve which makes the water to enter into the experimental setup. You have to close this valve. You have to switch on the pump. You have to switch on the pump. Okay, when you switch on the pump, there will be a lot of vibrations. For that vibration over here, there will be difference in the vane scale. It should actually show 0 scale, but because of the vibration, there will be a small deviation. To adjust this deviation, we have to operate this knob. Most of the people will rotate this knob or this knob to adjust it to 0, which is totally wrong. You have to adjust this knob in such a way that this should read 0. This should read 0. Okay, you have to adjust this knob, rotate this knob in such a way that this reads 0. So after that, immediately you have to open this valve. How much you are supposed to open this valve? You have to open this till your rotometer reads 10 LPM, 10 liter per second, 10 liter per minute. Okay, 10 LPM till it reaches 10 LPM. You have to operate this knob. After that, you can see the water will impinge on the blade that you have fixed. Water through the nozzle, it impinges on the blade through the nozzle, and because of which there will be a weight, there will be a load applied on the scale. And remember, this scale will be in grams. You have to later convert it into kgs, then later you have to multiply by density to convert it into Newton. Okay, so whatever the readings you are going to get, this will be in grams. So this reading you have to note it down in the tabular column. This is the first trial. Second trial, again rotate this knob till this reaches 15 LPM or 20 LPM. The moment it reaches 20 LPM, again note down the vane scale reading. Okay, so like this you have to conduct trials for 20 LPM, 25 LPM, 30 LPM like that, and you have to note down the vane scale readings. So where you are supposed to vane scale, make sure, see, when you allow the water to flow, before you open the valve, make sure that you are going to close this door. If you are not closing this door, the water will spill out. Right? So whatever the readings you have got, these readings you have to note it down in this tabular column. This readings you have to note it down in this tabular column. See, actual force, which is in grams, convert it into kg, then Newton, then rotometer reading, discharge. Discharge you are supposed to calculate, velocity you are supposed to calculate, then F theoretical, then what is the coefficient of impact. For all these things, the list of formulas are here. If you are using flat vane, it is rho a v square n. N is speed of the rho a v square n. If it is inclined, you're going to use rho a v square of sine 60 n. Sine theta is 60. That is for inclined vane. This inclination is 60 degree, so you're going to take sine 60 of n. And hemispherical vane, 2 rho a v square cos 0 into n. So using all these formulas, you're going to calculate the value. Then that's you substitute it in this to calculate F theoretical. That F theoretical you multiply, you will get what is the coefficient of impact. Okay, this is about impact of jet on vanes. Thank you.